what's up? My name is Hannah, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my bullet journal setup for this school year. So yes, I'm just going to be showing you how I made my planners, how I decorated it. So this is not going to be kind of like, you know, plan with me video. It's just going to be like me showing you guys my bullet journal setup. So yes, if you want to see how I decorated my planner for this year, just keep watching and let's get started. So guys, that's my notebook for bullet journaling. It says 16 on it, and you've probably already seen this notebook in my preparing for back to school video. And in the first page I just wrote 2018 and 19 and just decorated it with some stars, you know, just for decoration, I don't know. So here you can see I just made 4 tables for, of course, 4 timetables, and then wrote, of course, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and numbers from 1 to 8 because we usually have 8 or 7 classes a day. So on the next 2 pages I just made another 2 tables, I know, for my grades and exams. The next table is for exams, so I can write in the date and of course the exam, just to be a little more organized, you know. And then I also wrote a quote, "You got this," because, you know, you always have to have some inspirational cheesy quotes. I also drew some buildings like a city, you know, just for decoration, you know. So let's move on to yearly calendars. I know I spent like probably 2 hours writing all of those numbers, but I think it turned out really good and it's of course really useful. And on these 2 pages I'm gonna be writing my goals for this school year. I also made wish or dream list. Then here I'm making the birthday list, of course, for all the months in the year, and I'm just gonna write the names and the date in each section. And I also wrote "Don't forget to smile." So the last thing I wanted to make is lunch ideas list. I also wrote "Eat good, feel good." I think this quote is just like amazing. So this was my bullet journal setup for this school year. I really hope you like it. I'm actually really proud of it. I really hope you enjoyed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it, and of course if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. You can also comment down below. I don't know. So guys, that's all for today's video, and so like I obviously have no idea how to make intros and outros. I hope we'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, the
It is coming.